The 2025 Nissan Sentra sets a new standard in the compact sedan segment. Its design is modern and refined, featuring sharp body lines and a bold front grille that give it a strong road presence. The sleek LED headlights and sculpted profile enhance its aerodynamic look, making it both stylish and functional. Inside, the cabin uses high-quality materials that feel surprisingly premium for its class. A D-shaped steering wheel, soft touch surfaces, and a clean dashboard layout contribute to a comfortable and driver-focused interior. On the technology front, the 2025 Sentra comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a digital driver display are available on higher trims, adding to its modern appeal. Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite is standard on most trims, offering features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane departure alert, and rear cross-traffic detection, ensuring safety in every drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Sentra is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 149 horsepower. It's paired with Nissan's Xtronic CVT transmission, delivering a smooth and fuel-efficient performance. The ride quality is refined, and the suspension handles bumps and rough roads with ease, offering a balanced and comfortable drive. Fuel economy remains one of its strongest points, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and highway travel. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Sentra is a smart choice for buyers seeking a stylish, reliable, and feature-rich compact sedan. It delivers excellent value for its price, combining safety, comfort, and efficiency in a well-rounded package that's built for modern drivers.